SEBA Insert 2026 to 2027. Class 10. General Science. Chapter 1. Chemical Reactions and Equations. Complete point-to-point summary. 1. What is a chemical reaction? Definition: a chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances change into new substances with different properties. Examples: milk turning sour, rusting of iron, digestion of food, respiration, burning of magnesium ribbon. 2. How do we know a chemical reaction has taken place? Signs of chemical reaction: change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature, formation of precipitate. Examples: magnesium burns and forms white magnesium oxide. Zinc reacts with acid and releases hydrogen gas. Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide forms yellow precipitate. 3. Chemical equation. Definition: a chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using chemical formulae. Example: word equation, magnesium plus oxygen magnesium oxide. Chemical equation: Mg plus O2 MgO. 4. Reactants and products. Reactants, substances that take part in a reaction. Products, new substances formed after reaction. Example: Mg plus O2 MgO. Reactants: Mg, O2. Product: MgO. 5. Balanced chemical equation. Definition: a chemical equation in which the number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides. Why balance? According to the law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor destroyed. Example: balanced equation: 3Fe plus 4H2 Fe3O4 plus 4H2. 6. Physical state symbols. Symbol: meaning: S, solid; L, liquid; G, gas; Ac, aqueous solution. Example: 3Fe S plus 4H2O G Fe3O4 S plus 4H2 G. 7. Types of chemical reactions. A. Combination reaction. Definition: two or more substances combine to form a single product. General form: A plus BAB. Examples: 1. Formation of slaked lime. CaO plus H2O Ca, or 2 plus heat. 2. Burning of coal. C plus O2 CO2. 3. Formation of water. 2H2 plus O2 2H2O. Exam point: combination reactions generally form one product. B. Decomposition reaction. Definition: a single compound breaks into two or more simpler substances. General form: ABA plus B. Examples: 1. Ferrous sulfate. 2. FeSO4 Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. 2. Limestone. CaCO3 CaO plus CO2. 3. Lead nitrate. 2 Pb, NO3, 2 PbO plus 4 NO2 plus O2. Types: thermal decomposition. By heat. CaCO3 CaO plus CO2. Electrolytic decomposition. By electricity. 2H2O 2H2 plus O2. Photolytic decomposition. By sunlight. 2Ag close to Ag plus Cl2. 2Ag Br2 Ag plus Br2. C. Displacement reaction. Definition: a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. General form: A plus B CaC plus B. Examples: Fe plus CuSO4 FeSO4 plus Cu. Zn plus CuSO4 ZnSO4 plus Cu. Pb plus CuCl2 PbCl2 plus Cu. D. Double displacement reaction. Definition: exchange of ions between two compounds. General form, AB plus CD AD plus CB. Example. Na2SO4 plus BaCl to BaSO4 plus 2 Na close. White precipitate of BaSO4 is formed. Also called precipitation reaction. Oxidation and reduction, redox reaction. Oxidation, gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Reduction, loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. Example. 2Cu plus O to 2CuO. Copper gains oxygen. Hence copper is oxidized. Example. CuO plus H to Cu plus H2O. CuO loses oxygen. Hence CuO is reduced. Redox reaction, oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. 8. Exothermic and endothermic reactions. Exothermic reaction. Definition, reaction that releases heat. Examples. Burning of methane. Respiration. Formation of slaked lime. CH4 plus 2O to CO2 plus 2H2O. C6H12O6 plus 6O to 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Endothermic reaction. Definition, reaction that absorbs energy. Examples. Decomposition reactions. Electrolysis of water. Decomposition of AgCl. 9. Corrosion. Definition, slow destruction of metals due to reaction with air, moisture, acids etc. Examples. Rusting of iron. Black coating on silver. Green coating on copper. Prevention. Painting. Greasing. Galvanization. Alloying. 10. Rancidity. Definition, oxidation of fats and oils causing bad smell and taste. Prevention. Airtight containers. Refrigeration. Adding antioxidants. Nitrogen gas packing in chips packets.